Hop on the train, let's go for a ride. We'll count the numbers side by side. Choo-choo, choo-choo-choo, come sing along. Let's learn numbers with this song. Then, number one, one red apple in the sun. Number two, two yellow ducks say quack, quack, too. Number three, three blue balloons flying free. Number four, four green frogs jump on the shore. Number five, five happy stars that shine so bright. Number six, six orange cats do funny tricks. Number seven, seven rainbow birds fly up to heaven. Number eight, eight purple grapes upon a plate. Number nine, nine pink flowers look so fine. Number ten, ten bright candles, count them again. Choo, 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 hooray, hooray, we learned our numbers 1 to 10 today. The train goes on, so don't be late. Next time we'll count, it will be great. Wave goodbye, the train says bye. See you soon, so don't be shy.